welcome to Man That's Cooking. In this video, we're going to show you how to make green bean casserole from scratch. Oh, this is amazing. You don't need those cans of Campbell's cream of mushroom soup. No, this is so much better, and your family's going to love you for making it this way. First thing, you want to start out with 2 pounds of green beans, cut the ends off, and then you want to parboil them, which means we're going to briefly boil them for about 4 to 5 minutes until they start changing color and they get this bright green color that you'll see here. And then you want to put it into an ice bath to stop the cooking process. Just wash it down first with some cold water, and then dump it into an ice bath. Alright, so let the beans sit in the ice water for a couple minutes. Stir everything around, get them cooled down, and once that happens, just go ahead and dump it back into the colander and drain the ice cubes and the water out. Alright, so this is an uncooked bean, and you can see the color difference. You can see how it's changed into a darker, brighter, glowing green, and that's when you know it's time to stop cooking. And then cool it down, and then place it on a cooling rack like we have here, and let it dry for at least an hour. You want to get all the moisture off of these beans. Next, you want to wash down 8 ounces of white mushrooms and 8 ounces of baby Bella mushrooms. And you know, there's people that are going to say, don't wash mushrooms, wipe them down with a paper towel to get the dirt off, because, you know, the water allegedly gets into the mushrooms and it makes it soggy. Screw that. Wash your mushrooms, get that dirt off, use the little garden hose attachment, get that dirt off, and then slice it up finely like this. You know, there's just, don't worry about it. Alright, so next we're going to dice 1 white onion and 3 garlic cloves. And if you have access to fresh thyme, you want to pick the leaves of 3 sprigs of fresh thyme. If you have dry thyme, that's fine. You can go ahead and add it into the butter solution that you'll see next quickly so that it rehydrates. Next, you want to melt 6 tablespoons of salted butter, or unsalted if you don't like salt, at a medium-high heat. Go ahead and drop in the diced onions and the mushrooms, and let that cook for about 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes, you can slide in the garlic and the thyme. Alright, go ahead and stir things around. Keep everything cooking. And then we're going to add some black pepper. That's a lot of black pepper, but it's going to be good. It's going to be good. Next, add the flour, and this is going to thicken things up. And then stir everything around, try to get the flour mixed up nice and well. Next, add the chicken broth. And by the way, all the measurements of every ingredient is in the description of this video, and it's also available at manthat'scooking.com. And last, we're going to add heavy whipping cream. This is cloud heavenliness right here. Campbell's cream of mushroom soup. I mean, really, it has nothing against this right here. So once you get your cream of mushroom cooked, pour it over the green beans. Next, what you want to do is add these crispy, crunchy French's fried onions. You have to have this. This is mandatory. Maybe you can make these on your own, but don't do that. Just buy these. It's easier. Mix it all together. Make it look natural, like it happened on Easter or Thanksgiving. and then add some on the top. Next, you want to bake this uncovered at 350 for 30 minutes, and this is what you're gonna get. Oh, look at that steamy goodness right there. And if you're wondering, yeah, you could prep this ahead of time. Probably don't want to add the French's onions until the day of the cook. But other than that, yep, you could prep the beans, the sauce a day ahead, 2 days ahead. But take a look at that. Oh, look at that. Food porn flyover. Take a look at that. I mean, this is so much better than a can of mushroom soup. Look at these real mushrooms. Look at how chunky that is. I hope you make this recipe for the holidays. Click like, click subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.